Hey guys, this is the Audi A8. Going to be doing a review of this car. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. But let's get started. So this is the 2018 Audi A8. It's the executive saloon car. Very spacious, and it's got a really beautiful interior as well. It's stitched the analog. It's got everything digital. This is a touchscreen, and this is a touchscreen as well. You've got the gear settings over here. It's a lovely finish. It's like a piano black metallic finish. You've got some storage space, the cup holders, 2 of them, and a 12-volt charging port. And over here you've got the ambient lighting, which I think is a really good touch. The steering wheel, all leather. Got the flappy pedal gearbox over here, you can change your gears. But what I really like is the infotainment system. It's so beautiful, it's like a touchscreen. Click on this, you can change your car settings over from here. The seats. For the driver, you've got electronic windows everywhere. You can electronically control the windows. From here you can control the light settings. The seat memory settings from here. It's got a lovely piano black finish, metallic. And the new steering wheel. You can literally control all the vehicle settings from here using this touchscreen infotainment system. Really good and responsive. The news, the weather, the car settings. Go back, home. The navigation settings. It's a very good, nice display. Good clarity, good resolution screen. So it's like a dual touch screen over here. When you switch on the car, you can control more settings, for example the air conditioning and stuff. Driving settings, for example the traction control. You can change the volume from this. If you go on the media, the radio. Really good sound system. The bass is excellent in this. So elegant and simple and minimalistic. Over here you've got extra storage space. You can open it like, well, difficulty opening. Got a USB in the aux cable, SD card as well. Pretty good space, a little light inside. Really good seats as well, comfortable. Good for grand touring. This is the passenger seat. Black leather seats, all black interior. With the ambient lighting. Electric seats, electrically adjustable. This is the rear of the car, the Audi A8. Got so much space at the back. Really comfortable. Got the ambient lighting over here. You may not be able to see it. Lovely wooden finish. We've got metal door handles. Electric windows. You've got space to keep some books or magazines over here. A lot of leg room. Got more of the ambient lighting over here as well. Got the air vents for the passengers at the back. You can control the wind settings from here. and 2 charging ports as well, 12 volts. Close it like that.